The future of smartphones is here, and Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is gearing up to steal the show. This highly anticipated flagship device is already creating waves with rumors, leaks, and features that could redefine what we expect from premium smartphones. But what makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra so special, and why is everyone talking about it? Stick around because this deep dive into Samsung's next big thing will blow your mind. First off, let's talk about the new design. Samsung has been known for its sleek and sophisticated look, but the S25 Ultra is set to take it to a whole new level. Leaked dummy units suggest a significant shift toward a flatter frame with subtly rounded corners, moving away from the sharp edges of its predecessors. This redesign isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. The flatter display promises fewer accidental touches, better usability, and a more immersive viewing experience. If you've ever been frustrated by curved screens, this could be the change you've been waiting for. Now let's get into what really sets this phone apart: the display. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature Samsung's cutting-edge M14 OLED technology. Imagine a display that's 30% brighter, 20% more durable, and offers jaw-dropping color accuracy. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or scrolling through your feed, this screen will make everything look better than ever. Samsung has always been a leader in display innovation, and the S25 Ultra seems to be raising the bar once again. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a punch. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset and paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM, this phone isn't just fast, it's a beast. From multitasking to gaming to AI-powered applications, the S25 Ultra is designed to handle it all without breaking a sweat. Early benchmarks even suggest it could outperform Apple's latest A18 Pro chip, giving Samsung a much-needed edge in the ongoing rivalry with Cupertino. And speaking of rivalry, let's not ignore the cameras. Samsung's Ultra series has always been a favorite among photography enthusiasts, and the S25 Ultra looks to continue that legacy. While the 200MP primary sensor remains, a rumored 50MP ultra-wide camera could revolutionize how you capture expansive landscapes or group shots. Add to that a 50MP periscope lens and a 10MP telephoto sensor, you got a photography powerhouse in your pocket. Oh, and let's not forget the rumors of a potential 1-inch main sensor. Yes, you heard that right, which could rival even professional cameras. Battery life? Check. With a 5,000 mAh battery, Samsung isn't taking any chances. While the capacity remains the same as its predecessor, improved chipset efficiency and better software optimization mean you'll likely see noticeable gains in how long this phone can last on a single charge. And with 45W fast charging, you're back in action in no time. Let's not overlook the software. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to launch with Android 15, layered with Samsung's One UI 7. If you've loved the customization options in previous versions, One UI 7 will not disappoint. Plus, enhanced AI features and possibly satellite connectivity take usability to the next level. Samsung is clearly aiming to make this device as future-proof as possible. Colors and design are always a topic of interest, and Samsung seems to be catering to every taste. From classic titanium black to exclusive online-only shades like pink gold, the S25 Ultra offers personalization like never before. Whether you're someone who loves bold, eye-catching hues or prefers understated elegance, there's something here for everyone. So, what's the catch? If the rumors are true, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might come with a higher price tag, possibly exceeding the $1,299 starting price of the S24 Ultra. But when you consider the upgrades, be it the display, performance, or camera system, it might just be worth every penny. The competition is fierce, with Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max setting a high bar. But Samsung has always thrived in these head-to-head battles, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be its best response yet. From better displays to a more versatile camera setup, this phone is shaping up to be a true flagship killer. Are you as excited as we are? The Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to be a game-changer in every sense of the word. If you're a tech enthusiast or simply someone who loves the best of the best, this is one smartphone you can't afford to miss. So, what do you think? Will the S25 Ultra live up to the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Peace out.